Hello everyone, today I want to recommend a small but extremely useful Unity tool, Real Size. I use it in almost every single one of my projects. It allows you to get the real-world dimensions of any game object, and of course, you can freely modify these dimensions. You can also switch between different units of length. For example, if you have a character in your game scene and you need to set the height to 2 meters, you can simply enter 2 meters in the inspector. If you need to make a building 100 meters tall, just enter 100 meters in the inspector. You can also check the dimensions of any game object at any time. See? It's simple and practical. This is especially suitable for projects like digital twins or simulations of real-world environments. The download link is already in the video description and pinned comment. I hope this little tool will be helpful for you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.